Hello everyone, Jeff with the Green Review here. This is a wild geranium that is native to wet and dry woodlands and prairies of the Midwestern United States. The botanical name is Geranium maculatum. The geranium genus has more than 400 species that can be annuals, biennials, or perennials. The seed pods of some species look like the head of a crane. The genus name geranium is derived from the Greek word for crane. An English common name for these plants is cranesbill. The potted plant that we call geranium is actually in the pelargonium genus, but it is in the same Geranaceae family. The simple way to tell the two genera apart is that the true geraniums have 5 petals that all look alike, while the pelargonium genus has 2 upper petals that look different from the 3 lower petals. The wild geranium is sometimes called a hardy geranium, and it is, but not all species in the geranium genus are winter hardy. This geranium is a perennial that spreads by rhizomes into small colonies like this. It grows about 2 feet tall. The leaves at the base of the plant have 5 lobes and the upper ones have 3 lobes. Each stalk from the plant grows 1 to 5 flowers. There are some plants that have darker or lighter colors. The one out here in front is much darker than the one in back, even though it may not show up very well on the video. The flowers open in the daytime and close at night or with adverse weather. The blooming period lasts about a month, sometimes a little longer if the spring weather remains cool. They like light shade and damp woodland soil, but can grow in full sun if the soil is wet enough. They bloom after many other spring wildflowers are done, and they're especially nice near a redbud tree as they bloom at about the same time. These are planted under a redbud tree. They're very attractive to many species of native bees. They also attract butterflies, and some caterpillars of the butterflies do eat the leaves. But they really don't have any serious pests. Deer will occasionally feed on the leaves. This is a really nice woodland flower that works well in a lot of borders in people's yards, and it's a very easy one to grow compared to a lot of other woodland flowers that don't do well in more cultivated kind of situations. And this is Jeff with the Green Review. Thanks for watching.